Hello, I'm Divyanshu Shrivastava. I'm working as a global product manager for industrial fluids and Armstrong Fluid Technology. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. How your plant is operating, what is happening in the plant is something wherein majority of the industries face one of the biggest problems, which is operating in the silos. So you'll have a chiller, you'll have a cooling tower, you'll have pumps, and you'll have all the AHUs and every supporting accessories along with it. They all operate in silos. You don't understand what's actually happening on the system level. So if you actually look forward to the system optimizer, envelope optimizer, what we are talking about, we ensure that the entire plant room, in place of operating in a silo, remains within one closed tight spectrum, wherein entire system is operating into a performance envelope, which is being created by individual equipment performance envelope, and it ensures that you are getting a calculated and best outcome which is possible. Armstrong Fluid Technology is one of the most innovative and pioneer companies in the world. The company has this root pretty old. So we are almost a 100-year-old company headquartered in Canada. In India, we have a very wide presence. We are here in Acrex. We are getting pretty good response on the new products and the new systems what we have launched. It's really good to see the kind of footfall which we have got here in the evening.